Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Ma'am, will the class be extended?
No, beta, just only for today.
Only for 20 minutes,
Today,
ma'am.
only for today.
No, ma'am. Will class be extended till 8:30?
Not 8:30. I guess it will be 8:20 or 8:15. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening, Huria. Good evening, Bhavna. Good evening, Bhavna.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Good evening, Sumuk.
Good evening, ma'am.
It's too late for you, children? 7:45?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's for today only, beta. Good evening, Kashvi.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Have you enjoyed?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am?
Have you enjoyed, beta?
Ma'am, enjoyed what?
Enjoy what? Okay, I'm writing message. Huria, today also there is lot of noise, beta. Siddharth, good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
did you correct the papers?
No, but I will post your marks by today night, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay, Huria. So, children, I guess we have to start, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, let's start. Have you done your homework? Tell me, children, have you completed the exercise?
Ma'am, I had problem with the last
Okay.
questions.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what are you teaching right now, ma'am? I haven't attended the classes for 2 years.
Please read once again, beta.
Ma'am, what are you teaching right now?
Trigonometry, beta. Trigonometric identities we are doing, right?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aryan. How are you?
Ma'am, fine, ma'am.
So, may we start with sixth part or I will discuss your doubts? Tell me.
Ma'am, I shared my PDF to you on WhatsApp, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan, I will check, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain the last questions from the exercise?
Only last question.
Wait, ma'am. I'll say the question.
What have we decided to do, ma'am? Now I joined a little late, sorry.
Okay, Pranya, actually, I was asking that have you completed exercise 8.3?
Yes, ma'am, I think we're done, right?
Yes. And if there are any doubt,
Ma'am, I'll check once if I have any.
Yeah. Okay. Because if you are not having any doubt from the NCERT textbook, then I will proceed to next RD Sharma and ML Agarwal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
PYQs I am going to discuss. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav?
The question is, cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A.
Cosec A minus
Ma'am, is fourth question 9th bit, ma'am.
fourth question. Just a minute.
In exercise
Fourth question
8.3.
is 1 plus sec A.
No,
Ma'am,
from the exercise question, ma'am.
I don't think we have a question. Which one? Wait, sorry.
NCERT beta. Cosecant A minus sin A, right, Abhinav? Question is this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cosecant
Into-
A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, see, in both the sides, in left hand side and right hand side, both are in form of cosec, sec, tan and cot. So we will solve both the sides separately, okay? So first we will take left hand side, cosecant A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A. So cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin A, beta, right? And sec A is the reciprocal of cos A, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will put this. So cosecant A, you can write 1 upon sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 upon cos A minus cos A, right? Now we have written our trigonometry equation in terms of simplest, right? Now you will take LCM in both the brackets, sin A. Now cross multiply, it will be 1 minus sin square A, beta, when denominators are different. And here also you will write 1. So LCM will be cos A. Again cross multiply 1 minus cos square. Have you understood, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, have you remembered about the first identity? Sin square A plus cos sin square A plus cos
Ma'am,
square
it's
A
cos
is
square A.
equal to 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we need 1 minus sin square A. So we will transpose this sin square A to the right hand side. So cos square A will be equal to 1 minus sin square A. Right, beta? And when you are transposing this cos square A to right hand side, then it will be equal to sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just put the values. Instead of 1 minus sin square A, you will write, what you will write 1 minus sin square? Cos square A. So you will write cos square A upon sin A. Multiply. Now 1 minus sin square is equal to sin square A. So you will write here sin square A divided by cos. Okay. So cos square A you can write cos A multiply cos A. And sin square A as sin A into sin. Divided by sin A cos A. Okay. Now cancel cos A, sin A, sin A. So your left hand side is sin A cos.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, wait.
So have you understood, children, till here? Abhinav, Aryan, Siddharth,
Ma'am,
Moksha,
wait, ma'am.
Puriya, Kashvi, Meher, Bhavna, Pranya, Siddhishri, Sumukh. Kindly show me your thumbs up, children, if you are not able to unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am. Got it,
explain
ma'am.
the
I did a
cross
mistake, ma'am.
multiplication part?
Yes, beta, I will explain. See, Kashvi, in this chapter, in this exercise, we have basically 3 identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. And then second is 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. And third is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Okay. So here we have given left hand side cosecant A minus sin A multi into sec A minus cos A. So beta, first of all,
Ma'am,
in each and every question, yes Abhinav?
ma'am, I did it, ma'am. Just one single mistake.
Okay, it's okay. So
I,
first, yes beta.
ma'am, I sent you them. So will I get marks for this?
I will check it once, then I will check. Okay. I will decide that.
Also,
So,
ma'am, I-
yes, Prerna?
ma'am, I had a doubt in this question, ma'am. The same thing. 1 minus sine square A. So why can't we take it as the identity A square minus B square?
A square minus B square, then you will get 1 plus sin A cos A, right? 1 plus sin A and 1 minus. Then
Yes.
our motive will not solve because we want it will be equal to right hand side, right?
Yes,
now
ma'am. Like, how will we know?
because you have got sine and cos in terms of square, right, beta? So if you will get any trigonometry ratio in terms of square, then just think on of the identities. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, Kashvi, so beta, to solve any trigonometry equation, first of all, you have to write trigonometry ratios or equation in simplest ratio. What are your simplest ratio? Sine and cos. These two are the simplest ratio. Okay, beta? So cosec A you can write 1 upon sine A, and sine A you can write sine A only. Okay. Now sec A you can write 1 upon cos A. Now take the LCM for both sides, beta. Then it will be 1 minus sine square A and 1 minus cos square A. Now this is our first identity. Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now from this identity only, we will find the value of 1 minus sine square A and 1 minus cos square A. So cos square A will be 1 minus sine square A and sine square A will be 1 minus cos square A. So now instead of 1 minus sine square A, you will write cos square A divided by sine A, and then 1 minus cos square A will be equal to sine square A. Then you will write divided by cos A. Now square is given. It means you have to multiply cos 2 times by itself. So cos A into cos A, you will write, and sine square A, you will write sine A into sine A. Now cancel, then you will get sine A and cos A. Okay. Now right hand side is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Okay. So tan A you can write as sin A upon cos A. Right, children? And cot A is the reciprocal of tan. It means cos A upon. Just solve it. Now, children, just write in simplest ratio. So you will write 1 upon sin A plus divided by cos A plus cos A upon sin A. Now take LCM beta in the denominator. So sin A into cos A. When denominator are different, your LCM will be product of. Now multiply it. Sin square A plus cos square A. Right, beta? Now you will shift this to the numerator. So it will be sin A cos A divided by sin square plus cos square A. See, this is our identity 1. So it will be equal to 1. So your right hand side will be sin A cos A. And our left hand side also we have got sin A cos A. So therefore left hand side will be equal to right hand side, hence. So therefore left hand side So therefore, so you will write left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Hence, so children, have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note it.
Ma'am, which exercise is this question from?
8.3 from NCERT textbook, beta.
Which question, ma'am? 9.
This question is, I guess,
Fourth question, ninth bit.
yes, ninth part is there.
It's 50
Okay.
59 bit, I guess.
And don't worry, Kashvi, if you will facing any difficulty, then I'm there, okay? I will explain it.
I'll watch the recorded session, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, after this, can you like once explain the fifth question? Like the seventh one.
Seventh. Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. That is sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please note it.
And there are only 6 questions in the test, right?
Yes, Abhinav?
There are only 6 questions in the test, right?
Yes, yes.
There is no 7th question.
Okay. So children, have you done with this question? May I proceed to next?
Ma'am, I'm writing, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay, okay. Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Yes, beta. Up or down, beta?
Down.
Fine.
Yes.
Children done? May I proceed to next question, beta?
Yes.
Aryan
Yes,
done?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, Pranya,
Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi, Sumok,
Yes, ma'am.
Nitishri,
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Priya, Meher, Bhavna, Siddharth. Okay, now seventh question. Seventh question is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by cos cube theta, 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan cube. So first of all, we will solve left hand side, beta. So sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. Okay. So children, from numerator, can I take sin theta common? Tell children.
Yes,
From
ma'am.
numerator, we can take
Yes, ma'am.
sin theta common. Then it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And from denominator, we can take cos theta common, right? Then it will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now see children, in right hand side, we have tan theta. It means we have to cancel these two brackets, right? We have to cancel these two brackets. So what will be our next step? We will convert sine into cos or cos into sine. So we will go for the numerator. So sine square is there. So we have our first identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Now find value of sine square theta. So value of sine square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. Right, children? Clear? Now put this value in the numerator. So you will write sin theta upon cos theta as tan theta into 1 minus 2, 1 minus cos square theta. Is it clear this step, beta? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now open this bracket, children. So 1 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 cos square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now you can write tan theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now it will cancel. So your answer will be tan theta and this is equal to right answer. Right? So therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aryan, Abhinav, Moksha, Huria, Kashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Meher,
ma'am.
Bhavna,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhishri, Sudhamshu, Sumok.
Ma'am, in the same manner, can we also solve
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next question?
Which one? Eighth part.
Sin. Yes, ma'am. Sin A plus cosec
Okay,
A
I will
square.
explain this. I will explain this.
Can you explain
Okay.
that out with this, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Please note this fast, then I will explain. Okay. Do you know, children, the questions from this exercise 8.3 are very, very important. Even in your board exam, you will see the questions as it is from this exercise. Okay. So kindly
Ma'am, in
do
board
each and
exams
every.
exam,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, in board exams, the question will be as it is in 8.6.
Yes,
from
yes,
8.6.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, how much weightage is there for trigonometry?
In board exam,
Yeah, ma'am.
Could you share that this year's board exam paper? Like,
yes, yes, I will share. Currently, paper I can share.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. All have written?
1 minute, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Done, ma'am. Okay. See, beta, I am telling you the weightage of each and every chapter in your board exam. See, your number system, chapter number 1 will be of 6 marks, beta. Number system will be 6 marks. Algebra will be of 20 marks. Algebra will include chapter number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay?
Ma'am, algebra, how many marks?
Chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5, beta.
How many marks, ma'am?
20, I have written here. And coordinate geometry,
Each 20 or total?
total, these chapters contain. Okay? And coordinate geometry, 1 chapter is there. It will be of 6 marks. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry is there. And then trigonometry and geometry is there. Geometry.
Geometry,
It will be of 12 marks. Yes, beta?
ma'am, geometry only 6 marks, ma'am.
15 marks. Geometry will be of 15 marks. Geometry means आपका triangle chapter, chapter number 6.
No, ma'am,
Chapter
coordinate
number
geometry.
10. Okay.
Coordinate geometry, ma'am.
Coordinate geometry is different chapter, beta. That is chapter number 7.
Yes, ma'am. How many marks, ma'am?
6 marks. Coordinate geometry.
Okay.
And geometry 15 marks. And trigonometry 12 marks.
From chapter 8 and 9, right?
Yes, beta. 12 marks. Chapter 8 and 9. And mensuration. Mensuration will be of 10 marks. It will contain chapter number 11 and your 12. And then statistics and probability. It will be of 11 marks. Total is 80 marks. Okay?
Ma'am, it is 80 mark paper or 100 mark?
Yes, 80 and 20 marks will be of internal assessment.
Internal.
Okay?
What internal?
Means your PT marks, your periodic test marks, your portfolios, your project file, practical file, viva, all the things.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Now, you were asking me 8th question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me explain that also. Then now see question number 8 is. 8th part is sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus 10 square A plus cot square A. So let's take left hand side first, beta. So here you will apply A plus B whole square identity. Okay. So apply this. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So 2 sin A cosecant A. Now plus. Now open this bracket also. Again a plus b whole square. So you will write cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. Understood, children, this step?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will mention the reason also. Why you have done this. Okay. So now next is. Now you will write sine and cos together. Sine square a plus cos square a together. And this cosecant square a plus sec square a plus 2 sine a. Cosecant a you can write beta 1 upon sine a, right? Plus. And this 2 cos a sec a you can write 1 upon sec a. Understood this step beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see children, we have 3 identities. So we will use here all the 3 identities. See,
Ma'am,
sine square. Yes, beta?
sec A is 1 upon cos A right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
You wrote
By mistake, I have written 1 upon sec a, right? Thank you so much, beta. So sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. And 1 plus cos square a is equal to cosecant square a, right, beta? And 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So we are having these 3 identities, right, beta? So we will use these identity here. So sine square a plus cos square a will be 1. Now instead of cosecant square a, we will write 1 plus cot square. Okay? Plus. Now instead of sec square a, we will write 1 plus tan square a. Plus. Now sin a cancel, cos a cancel. Plus 2 plus 2. Now add 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 plus tan square a plus cot square is equal to right hand side. Hence the result. Understood, beta?
Ma'am, this came for our test, right?
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Understood?
Understood,
Because
ma'am.
on right hand side, we were having tan and cot. So that's why I have changed. I put the value of cosecant square a and secant square a to get our answer in terms of tan a and sec a. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So all have written this?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Could you scroll up, ma'am?
Scroll up.
Up, ma'am.
Yes, I'm scrolling. You need to write the question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, test corrections are done.
No, beta, but tonight, by tonight, I will do it. Okay? And I will share the marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So Aryan, Abhinav, Siddharth, Moksha, Huria, Kashvi, Meher, Bhavna, Pranya, Sitishri and Sumukh. Have you understood this exercise, beta 8.3 from the
Yes,
NCERT
ma'am.
textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because now we will do a few more complicated questions tomorrow in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will meet tomorrow, beta. Bye bye, all of you.
Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye, beta.